We are looking at how to pronounce this number and this year as well. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced number names and words in English too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. Talking about the year, this is generally said as 1900, 1900. Talking about the number, you could say it as 1900, 1900, or 1900s too. But talking about the date, the year, 1900 is how it's generally said, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names and numbers whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.